Hi, this is Dr. Tanjanika Kwaskud, the sex doctor. If you have ever been curious about what's inside a penis, I'll tell you. The penis is composed of the base, the shaft, also known as the body of the penis, the head, which is properly called the glans, the foreskin, which proper name is prepuce, which is extra skin that covers the glans or head of the penis if the penis is uncircumcised, and the opening of the urethra of where the urine and semen come out. In a circumcised penis, the foreskin is surgically removed, exposing the glans. The corpus cavernosum are two columns of tissue running along the sides of the penis. This tissue contains blood vessels which fill to cause an erection. Corpus spongiosum is a column of spongy tissue running along the front of the penis and ending at the glans. It fills with blood during an erection, keeping the urethra, which runs through it, open. The urethra, a pipe that connects to the bladder, runs through the corpus spongiosum, conducting the urine out of the body. The penis also has many blood vessels and nerves, which allow for sensation and function. The penis is part of the reproductive system and genitals. It is a remarkable piece of engineering. And there you have it, the wonderful penis. Now you know. This is Dr. Tanji, the sex doctor. Visit my website, follow me, share, and subscribe.